All right, guys, I'm happy to let you guys know that Grok AI is back. That's you can start generating your images and videos using Grok for free. So, I just came across this update and I say I should share with you guys. So, guys, without further ado, let's just go straight into the tutorials. Hello, everyone. You're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley, and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one. Alright guys, this is the website we are going to be using. I'll be pinning the link to this website in the comment section or in the description box. Just check it out. So once you're here, what you need to do is to click on sign up. I'm going to sign up using a new account I've not yet used on this particular website before. So once you're here, what you can do, you can see we have sign up with X, sign up with. So what you're going to be doing, you are going to be signing up with email. So I'm going to click on sign up with email. Then I'm going to now come over here and copy. That's come over to this particular. We are going to be using template for it. So ensure the email you are using ends with something like .com, something like this or this nature, so that it looks real. So now I'm going to come over here and paste the email here. So once I paste the email, I'll click on sign up. So it's going to send a verification code to this particular email. So once I'm here, I'm going to now, you can see it's already here. So I'm going to click on it, open the email, then copy the code and paste it over here. So once I paste it there, it is going to go ahead to create for me. I'm going to now enter my details. Now for the password, continue entering the password until you get something that looks until it turns green. That's to tell you that it's stronger. Then do this verification, then click on complete sign up. So once you do that, it's going to redirect you to your Grok dashboard to start generating your videos. Just save this if you want to. All right, guys, you can see this is my dashboard. You can see I'll just click on this. You can see you might want to extend. So now what we're going to do, I'm going to go ahead to quickly just do what we are here for. So now what I'm going to do, just come to this imagine. Then once you are here on this imagine, you can see where you have this introducing image 2.0. Just click on it, try for free. Now you can see if you are not having it this way. So I'm going to quickly just enter my prompt. So we'll first of all generate our image and I'll show you what you can do with it. So I'm going to, all right, here is I've pasted in my prompt. So now I'm going to be we are generating image. Now I'm going to go ahead, the quality I'm going to leave it as this. Now on the aspect ratio, you select the aspect ratio you want to, but this time around I'm going to be using 16 by 9. I want it to be 9 by 16. You can decide to be, if for it to be 16 by 9 is just your choice, but for this particular video I'm going to just make it to be, or let me just make it as 16 by 9. Now I'm going to leave it at 16 by 9. Now I'm going to, now from here I'm going to now click on this for it to generate our image. You can see it's going to go ahead to generate our image for us. So let me just wait for it to finish generating, so we'll proceed. So guys, you can see what is generated for us, and guys, this is superb. I so much love the quality of this particular image. So let me just click on this. I think I love this more, and one thing I like about this, you can actually click precise edit. If you click on this precise edit, you can really edit anything you want on this particular page. So if you want any edit, you can edit anything you want. But guys, it's only, I think it's just like 2 edits you can make at a time here. If you try to do the more than that, it's going to ask you to upgrade for this particular edit now for the image editing. But you can generate, I think you can generate more images. But I just wanted to show you, I think you can generate up to that kind of 6 to 7 images on you for free on this particular platform. You just need to try it out and let me know in the comment section how many images you're able to generate or how many videos you're able to generate. So from there you can also turn this to a video. So you can just from there just click on it and turn it to a video. But what I'm going to just do, I'm going to go ahead to click on this. You can see this place where we have download. I think I'm okay with the image the way it is. I'm just going to click on it and download this particular image. So you can see I've downloaded my image. So I'm going to, if you want to turn it directly from here, and turn it directly from here, but I'm just going to go back. I want to now come over here now and click switch to my video. Now once you are on video, what you are going to do, you can see I'm on video. Here is to bring in your reference image. So it's loading. Now you see where we have this. You can see from here, this is coming from your generated images already. But if you don't have, you can just click here to upload one. So but since mine is already here, what I'm going to do, I'll click on the image. You can see it has added over here. So now under this place, I'm going to now paste in my prompt I want to use. So guys, I've pasted in, you can see my prompt, I've pasted in my prompt. What I'm going to now do, you can see. So from here, what you can do, you just leave everything the way it is. If you switch to 720p, it's going to warrant you to upgrade, or if you should go ahead to select this duration, it's going to ask you to upgrade. So you need to use this. Then after that, you're going to, what you're going to just do, you just click on generate, and guys, it's going, you can see it is generating my video for me. But guys, I want you to just go ahead and try it. I just wanted to quickly just show you guys that, because I don't want this video to be too long, too lengthy, so that's why I don't. But you can just try generating your video. It should work out perfectly well for you. So guys, I want you to try it out and let me know how many video you were able to generate, and also how many images it was able to generate for you guys. I want to be waiting for your feedback, because on the comment section, so as I said, I just came across this and I said, since this feature is still very much new, let me just quickly do the video and show you guys so that you can able to also test it out yourself. So that will be all for this particular video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.